In front of me is Poco C61 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Voice Recorder from Smart Mobi Tools developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then select Continue, click on Skip, tap on red button here to start recording and then choose Accept, Continue while using and Allow. Now as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, type in whatever you want to, or just click OK. To delete it right away, pause it and click on Discard on the left. You can switch between audio and transcription over here. To manage some of those settings that are available in recording mode, click on those three sliders at the top right corner. Then to end and save your recording, hit save on the right and hit save at the top right corner. Play your recording by clicking on it. Manage it thanks to all of those options and those three dots at the top right corner. Like for example edit or delete. You can also hold it here and manage all of those options at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!